Everything's finna go up.
I gotta say I'm in the mood for a little bit more of that. I mean, I'm saying what kind of...
What's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to another vlog. It is Saturday, January the 24th. I just got an order. Yes! I got my first Empress Solutions order of the year. If you don't know, I do sell hair oils and hair products that I make myself. I have the most popular oil on the website right here. It's called the Royal Oil. This is what the customer ordered, so I have to pack it up and get it ready to ship. Adonis is feeling a little under the weather, so I had a really tough night last night with him. He was like up every 2 or 3 hours. He couldn't really breathe out his nose, so I have the humidifier going. He's downstairs right now with my mom. I have nasal spray for him and I have medicine, and he ate really good. He ate his breakfast really good this morning, so I am going to get this order together. I already kind of started putting it together, but this weekend, hold on, before I get to that, I printed out the packing slip. I thought something was wrong with my printer. It stopped working yesterday. I was really concerned. But I got my thank you card ready to go. Just have to pack everything up. You already know, my desk just looks awful. I need to fix it, but I have box ready to go. I'm going to put this scarf in there for free. And then I have some candy that I'm going to put in there because it's almost Valentine's Day. Ooh, I did have a Depop order, my first Depop order of the year. If y'all watch my shorts on YouTube, then you know that I posted some like what's new on my Depop videos. I did a part 1 and a part 2. I did it on TikTok too. I don't know, y'all. I'm like, it's not a coincidence. Either somebody watched my vlog, somebody watched my videos, my shorts, or somebody watched my TikTok. But whatever happened in between me uploading these videos, I got an order. And it was like, what? It was too fast. It was just too fast. And it happened right after I uploaded the vlog. So I was like, damn, somebody looked at my vlog and like, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, I already shipped it. I couldn't record. Adonis was giving me a hard time. He wasn't letting me breathe. He's very clingy. I don't know if... No one ever told me about the 15-month-old stage, but he's very clingy right now. So he was not giving me an opportunity to record. I wanted to do a video, like a short video of me packing it up and everything. And then I wanted to vlog it a little bit too, but I didn't get a chance to do all that. So ironically, now that I have an Empress Solutions order, I can pack that with you guys. So God works in mysterious ways, but I will make sure that I'm dedicated to vlogging the next Depop order because it's so cute. I love my little handwritten notes, and I'm starting to put candy in it just as like a little thank you. It's just cute. Like, I really like Depop. It's fun to build this box up before Adonis comes back up here because I don't know how much time I got. He is not feeling well, like I said, so I don't want him to stay downstairs too long. I'm gonna make some tea because I'm feeling sick now. But I'm also vlogging because it's about to be one of the worst snowstorms. I got my little 2-piece set. I don't like that my shirt is showing. Yeah, I need some tea because I'm feeling pretty under the weather. I think I might need to go in my little business stash to get something else. It's something else I want to put in this order, but I do want to just build the box up really quick. This is my first order of the year, and then this is my 5th year of having my small business, and I can't even explain to y'all what it means to be in year 5, because I almost stopped last year. I'm gonna be real. Like, I almost gave up last year because I just felt like I wasn't getting enough support. But I also held myself accountable and realized, like, girl, you're not really doing the same things that you used to do, and that's why the business isn't doing so well. So yeah, I'm about to get back to my roots with a lot of things, with my main channel, my business. So everything's finna go up. This box is perfect for my oils because I'm not gonna be able to ship this until after the snowstorm. I just want to have it ready. And I just love having like a non-perishable business because I don't have to like worry about it if it's food or, you know what I'm saying? Like, and these oil bottles are so good. Like, I've dropped them so many times and they don't break. So, dang, come on, tape. And I'm just thinking about a lot of business ventures this year. Not a lot, but like some doable ones. Yeah, that looks better. Okay, so, and then we can fill her up. So, I use the yellow, or should I use the green? Or should I use the cream, like, color? I think I'm gonna use this one. Some of this in there. I want on right now. Whee! Some mambas. Charlie wants to put those. Ooh. It says, thank you for supporting my business. So I'm going to put that in there. I don't have to wrap it up. Like, I don't have to, but I like to. Anyways, just in case it damages on its way, I like to wrap it up. So I like to just wipe it off with a little, like, disinfectant wipe. Because it, you know, I'm just going to use one of these and just wipe for any type of particles. A fresh, brand new royal oil. And if you guys are interested, I'll leave the link down in the description. It has castor oil, rosemary oil, and almond oil. So I'm just going to bubble wrap this. This is just a precaution. I've been doing this for a long time because I just like it. It's cute. Okay, so the oil is going in. Packing slip here, so she knows when she ordered, what the order is, her address, her email, all her information is going to be in here. Oh, careful, careful. Oh, your feet wet. How your feet get wet? Ewy. Ewy, ewy, ewy. You let my hand go? Thank you. So I'm going to turn on your show. What's popping, y'all? It is the 25th. It's Sunday. I am feeling under the weather. I already told y'all that Adonis isn't feeling well, so I know I got whatever he got. I just wanted to check in. I'm wearing my little Yeti set. Let me show you how it looks. I bought this like a few years ago, but it's so cute. It's like a little heart detail on the butt part. And it's so cute, and it zips up in the front. It's very comfortable. But basically, I finished packing up my Empress Solution order, and for the 5th anniversary, I just put like different logos, stickers on the box. I usually just do the same sticker, but I thought I would use some different ones. This one is an older version, and then this one is an older version too. But yeah, I do need to get new ones because I just redid the logo again. So, oh, that might be a good idea, like to do a logo t-shirt, and I have like all the pictures of the logos on the t-shirt. That's a good idea. I just actually came up with that just now. Cool. I did want to hop on here to show you guys I got my DEPOP order. I don't think I told y'all yet, but I literally have had an obsession recently with shopping on DEPOP. Y'all know I'm a DEPOP seller, but I just recently started shopping on DEPOP, and I got a few things, okay? So, damn. Hopefully I get to do the short form content first, because I'm trying to think, should I show y'all or not? But I have to open it because I have to see it first so that I can know what to say for the short form content. So basically, I'm going to open this up and try it on really quick. Hopefully, I know it's going to be good quality because this is in a Aritzia box. Okay, you know it's good when it comes in an Aritzia box. Okay, I don't shop at Aritzia. It's too expensive. But anybody that shops at Aritzia, I know A, they shop good quality pieces, and B, they take care of their clothes. Okay. Ooh, okay, y'all. You ready? 1, 2, 3. It's a bomber jacket. Ooh, and it's from Urban Outfitters. It's a size medium. I'm glad I got this because it's a good size. I thought it was going to be too small, if I'm being honest, but I could tell this is like a men's size jacket because this is very oversized. This is nice. This is nice. I really like the pop. Ooh, no, they did not. Is it? Shut. Wait a minute, y'all. Wait a minute. Why does it have pockets this way, but it has pockets this way too? I'm gagged. Yo, this is like the perfect size, honestly. Like, I would maybe rather it be a little bit smaller, but at least I could layer with this. Like, this bomber jacket is so crazy. The details are so nice. It looks better in person than it did online, the picture. I'll show y'all a picture of what it looks like. This is so cute. I'm literally so glad I bought this. This is so cute. This is like just my style. Pockets here and then here is gagging me, I have to say. That is so cool. And it's the splash of like paint. It's the paint splash. It's not even like loud. It's really nice. Are you kidding? This is a perfect jacket. And you can adjust it. And I can adjust the size to scrunch it in some. I didn't even know. Oh shit. Yeah. 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 Yeah, this is so cute. And this is what it gives. Like scrunched up. I like that. Yeah, it's like a little fold to it. That's cute. Yeah, this was a good buy. 10 out of 10. This is an easy 10 out of 10 for me. 10 out of 10. I love a good bomber jacket. I love a good bomber jacket. 10 out of 10. The quality is good. I could tell it hasn't been worn that many times. Like, this is a really, and the pockets have buttons on it too. This is a really good, this is like a really, this is a really good jacket. Like, oh, I'm obsessed. I got a Guess bag. And I took the strap off and replaced it with this silver chain. I bought the silver chain on Amazon. It came in like a pack of a few different sizes like this. And it's just cute. This is a vintage Guess bag. It's really cute. It's a little worn, which is fine, but I like it with, like, I replaced the chain because I didn't like it. It looked more worn. Like, this way it gives like a little, you know, I do have some more packages on the way, but y'all know it is a snowstorm. Literally, I showed y'all that it's snowing outside. So, yeah, I'm probably going to get more packages next week. So, I'll just show y'all what I get as I get it. I'm going to holler at y'all. I'm going to go get baby boy and bring him back up here. Bye. What's poppin', y'all? Today is January. Damn, I can still hear it in my... I'm still a little congested, but... Y'all... I'm about to leave out in this fucked up ass weather. I am so scared. I do not want to fall. I'm so scared. But I have to go to the post office and to the grocery store. I have to get Adonis a few things. Because I tried to do an order on Walmart and they're saying that the whole milk is sold out. So I have to go to the grocery store. And I have to go to the post office. Y'all already know I have a order to ship for my business. So I have to go to the post office first. And then I'm going to go to the grocery store. And then I'm going to walk home. So this is going to be quite the adventure. I'm not excited about it, honestly. You know. But the weather is really bad. Like, the snow is really bad. Turned to ice, so it's very dangerous. I have on a tank top, this turtleneck that I got like 3 years ago. I never wore it, and I'm wearing this jacket. Down bottom, I have on the matching sweatpants, and I have on a pair of jeans and a pair of leggings. I'm not playing. And then shoes, I have on these Crocs. I forgot what these is called. I think these is called the Super Puff boots by Crocs. These are very comfortable. I'm hoping that I don't slip in these, but we'll see. And then I'm gonna wear my Fashion Nova coat. Hopefully I took the tag off. I think I took the tag off. Oh no, I didn't. This is my first time wearing the Fashion Nova coat. So what's the degrees? It's like 17 degrees. So there's that. I'm not excited about leaving out at all because I just don't want to hurt myself. I'm really scared. I'm really scared. Fuck. I'm thinking about changing my earrings real quick, but it doesn't really matter, honestly. It's really cold outside. Like, it's really cold. I'm scared that I'm gonna hurt myself. I have a rod in my leg, so I'm really, like, nervous about hurting myself. I got my wallet in my bag and my Edam lip gloss. First be bad. I'm trying to tell y'all. So I'm gonna make sure that I pack this. I have these grocery bags. And yeah, let's go. Y'all, I just got outside and I literally just fell. Like, what the fuck am I gonna do? I literally just fell, y'all. And I just got out here. Like, are you serious?
Look at you there. Look. Right. You can't get up down. See?
Oh.
That pole I ain't put up there. How you gonna get up? Get up. I ain't no quick swing. You might got that.
How the fuck am I This is crazy. Yeah, these ain't the shoes. Y'all seen how apprehensive I was to leave out the house. And I'm right back in the house. Like, I couldn't even put my trash in the trash all the way because there was so much ice. Y'all, it's really no joke out there. It's like, if you don't have a ride to get around, like, it's literally no way to get around. You know, I'm thankful at least that I have a good portion of milk left. But what I was trying to do... What I was trying to do was go to the store so that I wouldn't run out of milk. Oh my God. Just thinking about the fact that I thought I was going to be able to get out of here is crazy. Like, when I hit that door, like, I kind of was like looking around. I was just like, how am I going to do this? How am I going to do this? Like, don't get me wrong. I give myself a A for effort. An A for ombre. But at the end of the day, I mean, if you don't have, first of all, let's go back. These shoes are not for ice. They're not for ice, nothing. Look at the bottom part of these shoes. It's literally like walking on, you know, the ground. This is for the ground. This is not for ice. I slipped and fell so hard. Like, I slipped, like my feet gave out. And then I slipped and hit, like, and I landed on my back. I'm glad I feel like it was my back more than my legs. But I fell and that kind of stirred me straight. As far as leaving out this house, I just don't know what I'm going to do. I literally had to make some more coffee. I spilled my coffee this morning. Again. It was really bad. So I'm just going to try to call his father and see what I can do real quick. Y'all, I just shipped the order and went to the grocery store. I'm so glad his father came to get me because it's so bad out here. Like, if you don't have a car, you really can't even get around. It's that bad. Like, I can't wait till it melts. What's poppin', y'all? So I am about to go to the beauty supply store and to Rainbow. So I'm going to try to vlog a little bit in there while we're looking around. I don't know what I'm not looking for anything in particular. I know I do need some tank tops. And then I do need a few things from the beauty supply store. Like, it's some things I literally haven't been there in a long time. So, yeah. I can't promise I'm not going to do any damage in there because I need, like, flexi rods. I need mousse, gel. I just need things. Like, I need things. So it's February, so let's get February started. Okay, I love my hair. I just did like a style my hair. I'm doing a style my hair series on TikTok and on Instagram, so make sure you guys follow me so you can see how I'm doing my hair lately. But I'm just trying to get into some new things for the new year. So let's go. This is crazy. No fucking salt. Nothing.
You see how it's tilted?
Yeah.
A lot of them are like that.
Look at that. It's insane.
And then when it comes to people, I just want to see. They're not going away.
This one looks cute. What's the name? Sugar popping. Somebody got a lot of personality up. Girl, shut the hell up. Oh, wow. Look, y'all, they're actually coming through. Look at this big mountain of ice outside my house, y'all. They are coming through. Finally.
What? You were supposed to forget
Finally.
the hotel. I just used my powers to
Like,
erase
I
your
had to
memory.
record
I looked
this.
straight into your
Because
eyes.
what?
Oh, maybe it's the contact
It's
lenses.
been a
These little
week
plastic doodads
and some
that help you see
change.
better. Here, let me just try and
This
get
is
them
a
out real quick.
huge
Oh,
mountain
that is the most
of
disgusting thing
freaking
I've ever
snow.
seen.
We have Papa. You gotta get in the scene.
I'm hungry again, honey. Can you get me some ice cream with anchovies?
He is not paying attention. We've got groceries and yeah. So I gotta put them away. I didn't get a lot of stuff.
I love you, Dad.
I just got some like basic stuff. So, damn, I think today is the 4th. Today is the 4th. Let me go get the other groceries. Yeah, I already put something away. What did I put away? So y'all already know. I got my coffee. That's my coffee until we drink some hot coffee. I gotta get a coffee machine. That reminds me. Speaking of coffee, y'all have not lived until y'all tried this flavor of creamer. Bro, y'all see that? Southern butter pecan. It is so bomb. It's so good. Like, literally, it's probably gonna be the best I had this year. I can already tell. Yeah, I got some more of our yogi, because I think the ones we got in the refrigerator, they're gonna be going bad soon. So I got 2 of these. We love these Chobani yogurts. I just get these for right now. Stop fighting me, baby. Grandma's bringing stuff in. So I also got a DiGiorno cheese pizza, because he actually really likes pizza. He likes anything. He likes anything that I like. I got some more chicken fries. Boop. Love chicken fries. I'm actually making him some French fries right now. That's like his favorite little appetizer. I got some more of our favorite salmon. I also got him a new shampoo and body wash by the Honest brand. I've been using this since he was a baby. Love the Honest brand down to the ground. This is probably my 4th bottle. So I gotta keep this in a bag. So I gotta take that here. I got some beef brats. Love that in the mornings. I got 2 of these cream cheeses. Oh, boy, you heavy. I gotta try these epic. Oh, they have protein. Well, the other ones do too. I've never had this brand before, but it's organic bagels. And yeah, 27 grams of whole grain. I got the everything flavor. I got 2 of these. Period. Would you hurry up? A random pack of Colby Jack cheese. I always just get a pack of cheese. Because we go through cheese like it's nothing. And yeah, I just got some french fries. So I just got some little things. I usually go to the grocery store and get like fresh produce. So I'm going to figure out what day next week I'm going to go to the store. But yeah. Bye.